Hi, welcome to hashing working principle. Here, the problem statement is given strings hi and is to be stored in the array, that means hash table, using the hashing process. Here, values to be inserted into the hash table and accessed that by using the searching the data, or updated that stored data in the hash table quickly, that is in the order of one time. So ordering of the strings are not considered in the hash table. That means the data need not to be stored using the alphabet wise. Okay, so here the given strings can act as a key and the value. That means the given string is will be act as a dual role, that will be key and also value, right? So how we will see how to calculate the key by using the hash function to store that given value into corresponding index. First we will apply the hash function to calculate the hash value that act as a index of the data structure to store the value. So here I am using to create the table with table sizes 9. So here the table size is 9. For that table size 9, I have created the hash table. We can create the hash table in vertical manner, or this is horizontal manner. So you can create the hash table in horizontal way or vertical way. So now for each and every alphabet given in these three strings, I am substituting the ASCII values. For small a 97, small h 104, small I 105, for small n is 110, for small s 115. Like that we can substitute the ASCII values for all the characters. So the numerical value to be calculated with the sum of the characters available in each word. For hi, we are having two alphabets, H and I. For H, 104 is the ASCII value. I is the ASCII value for, 105 is the ASCII value for I. So summation is 209. For N, we are getting the summation is 207. For is, we are getting 220. Now, we are going to apply the hash function by using the table size 9. So the hash function is using the sum of these characters as a key. Already we have discussed that the given input string will be acting as a both index and also value, right? So now we are going to uh, apply the ASCII value, summation of ASCII value of each word as a key. So here the 209 is the key for input key for the word hi. Then my table size is 9. So the input key mod 9, I am getting the remainder 2. So this means the value hi to be stored in the index number 2 in given hash table. So this is the index number 2 in the given hash table. It will be stored in the location of index 2. Then I am calculating the key for given input value and. So for and the key is 207. By using the ASCII values mod table size, I am getting the remainder is 0. So here the 0 is the index. I am going to store that word and. Then the third word is the for is I am going to calculate the summation of ASCII values of two alphabets I and S, 220. Then mod table size is 9. Then I'm getting the remainder 4. So this is the index in the table to store the value is. So here keys, the key in the sense input. Okay, what are the inputs? Hi and is. So these are the inputs which are acting as a key. Then table size is the value which are going to use for modulus operation. So based upon that, index will be calculated. In that corresponding index we will store the values. So when you are representing that same hash table in the vertical manner, in 0 we have stored the and, in second index we stored the high, in fourth index we have stored the is. So this is the way to store the value. Now if I want to access that, if I want to update or access that, searching that value in the index. So suppose I am giving the input is, then I will search the hash table to access this data. Is it available or not? What it will do, first it will calculate the input key is here 200 and 220. Then we will apply the table size 9, then it will calculate the value. Here 220 mod 9 is here 4. Directly our program will access the index number 4 to check is available or not. Yes, it is available. Immediately it will say data found in the index number 4. So like that it will search the data. Suppose if you want to update is the same thing, you will find the data, then you will do the updation process. So index of the table name, so table name, suppose t means table name of index 4 will be updated, calculated indexes will be updated, right? So this is the way to access that hash table with the order of one time. So that will give you the fast calculation to find the storage for inserting or searching the value by using key value pairs. So here this is the key value also, this one. So here key will be always numerical number. One of the interesting point here we should observe, so key value, the key value is always the numerical number, because we are going to use this hash value as a index of the given data structure. So index will be always denoted by using the numerical number. So the key, whatever words or characters or floating not floating point value, even the floating point value will be converted into integer numbers. So integer, so we will use the index value as a numerical number. So we have to convert that given input into numerical number key. Thanks for watching.